Most product leaders want their teams to adopt AI quickly to boost productivity. But there's a catch. Individual adoption of tools like ChatGPT only creates the illusion of speed at the cost of quality. Take something as important as product requirements. When you draft your PRD with chat-based AI, the tool makes hundreds of hidden decisions on your behalf. The result? You end up building a product, but not necessarily the one your customers need. That's why we built Wisary. It's not about writing PRDs faster. It's about helping product teams think more critically, make better decisions, and align the entire organization move faster. Let me show you how it works. Wisary will guide me through the PRD creation process. We start by providing some background context, like the problem we want to solve. With the context I provided, Wisary drafted the first document section, which we will use as a starting point. At the same time, Wisary AI identified the context that is still missing and asked for my input, uncovering assumptions and ensuring no critical detail is missed. Wisary will continue reviewing my draft and asking questions to keep the conversation going until I have thought of every important aspect and I'm ready to move forward to the next document section. This process helps me think strategically before the PRD is created. Wisary will not only help me refine each requirement, but it will also help me identify the missing ones. Once I'm done working on all the sections, Wisary will put all the information together into a thorough and clear PRD document. I can take it with me to Notion, Google Docs, or any other platform I'm using to collaborate with my team. In just minutes, Wisary guided me through the generation of thorough and clear PRD. It didn't generate walls of meaningless documentation, but instead, it was my thought partner that helped me slow down and think in depth about the feature I want to build. But Wisary doesn't stop at creating the PRD. With a single click, I can initiate a similar flow to help me translate my PRD into user stories, a detailed test plan, release notes, or other documents. Wisary will use AI to ensure the right questions are being asked so that no critical context is lost in translation. We just saw how Wisary can encourage your team to use AI responsibly. Instead of using it to accelerate writing documents at the cost of quality, it leverages AI to help each one of us think more thoroughly, make better decisions, and accelerate the entire team. Start a free trial of Wisary to start building with the power of AI that works for you, not the other way around.